The all-new Hikvision DS-KIS320-MFWX face recognition terminal with deep learning algorithm is a device that recognizing the face faster with higher accuracy. It comes with a single unit product, quick start guide, back mounting plate, adapter, and cables for the connectivity. The terminal has a sleek design with a 2.4-inch LCD screen and a 2-megapixel lens. Multiple authentication modes like face, card, fingerprint, and PIN. The face recognition duration is less than 0.2 per second for every user. It also allows configuration via the web client, supports face anti-spoofing, where access would be denied on showing a photo or another user. The terminal has the capacity to manage 500 faces, 1,000 cards, 1,000 fingerprints, and 1 lakh events. Supports ISAPI and ISUP 5.0 protocols. The product can be applied in multiple scenarios such as buildings, enterprises, financial industries, and other important verticals like retail, education, banking, factory, and small and medium businesses. With the Hikvision DS-KIS320-MFWX face recognition terminal, the security is non-negotiable.